Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is November 2nd. So let's start today's crypto analysis. Firstly, Bitcoin on the daily time frame, the Friday trading session, it formed a bullish candle after four consecutive bearish candles right here, and it's taken support from a really important support level, right? Support zone. This is a good support zone right here. So I'm assuming it could reverse back and go up, and it may be a end of this bearish bearish zone. So on daily time frame, it's taking support, and today's Sunday. Let's see what's happening. Today's so on on 4 hour as well, it was on a consolidation phase, formed a W pattern, and right after breaking this high, it swept this liquidity and fall massively, and took this lowest liquidity and formed a very bullish candles right away. So if I show you guys yesterday, in the morning live, morning, I said you for a risky buy trade right here, and right after this buy, it market gave three consecutive bullish candles on 4 hour time frame. So for 12 hours, it go straight away up, and uh, after this four bullish candles, I'm assuming for a reversal right here, and we would be planning more buy trades now. So no selling for now, or maybe uh, let's see how the structure forms. So basically, this is a no trading zone for now. We won't be trading buys or sells right away. We would be looking for some structure or any good opportunity for buy or sell right here, and we won't be jumping on to for more trades. Uh, and we would be looking for sells if a price tries to reverse back from right here, and we would be looking for buys, or if price comes to this level and forms a reversal pattern, any sort of triple bottom or something. And for now it's weekend, so no volumes. Also, let's come up to 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, we got a SL hit on the Friday. I have also shared this on Telegram as well, and right now it's consolidating. And I think after this liquidity sweep and massive up move, this might be a reversal for Bitcoin, or we would be seeing tomorrow where the price opens. So yes, that's all for Bitcoin. As I already said, this is a no trading zone for now. Uh, let's see how the price breaks this level, and let's come up to Ethereum. So on Ethereum as well, after four consecutive bearish candles, there is a bullish candle, but not so bullish like it was on Bitcoin. So yes, it was a bullish candle. Maybe it could reverse back, or it could sustain this level, as this is a really good level right here, and it jumped on to this support zone, supply demand zone, four times, and this time it also took this low liquidity as well. We could have planned this trade, but due to this multiple taps, I just refused to have this trade, as this was really risky. So also this is consolidating, of course, a weekend. So on 4 hour time frame as well, we won't be taking any trade on these levels. Uh, we would be waiting for some price action and market structures, good setups, and right away here as well, we would be looking for buyers here and sells here only, not in the middle of somewhere. I would be sharing every updates on Telegram only. So on Ethereum 4 hour, it's just consolidating, and this is a great supply zone right here. And for now, this is the liquidity for upside, and this is for a downside. So let's see how the market acts and upcoming session. So for Ethereum as well, there is no trading zone right here. Let's see how the price breaks this level and acts accordingly. And we would be planning buy trades right here. I would be updating it on Telegram and Instagram as well. So let's come up on to XRP. So XRP here, it also formed a bullish candle after 4 consecutive sells. So it's also holding up this demand zone. Uh, Maybe it could go upside from these levels if the crypto markets get bullish, but for now it's a bit into it's into bearish trend, so we won't be looking for buys to really before it breaks and sustain above this level. We won't be buying right here. And also mm, okay, so it's taking support on this zone, so we would be marking it as a demand zone right here. Firstly, it took this areas support this and again this zone as well. So let's see how it acts in the further session. And this consolidation led to a selling. If you guys got this stops on break even, you might have get stopped out. Uh, as me also uh, So I also put it on break even and got stopped out. It's completely fine. As I said you guys on Friday that if it wants to go down, it would go down right away from here only. If it reverses back, it might go up in the further trading days. So now we won't be trading in these levels. Either we would be looking for the price to come up to this level, right? And then we would be looking for sells or let the price hit this somewhat this level and form a good structure. Then we would be planning for buys on hourly time frame only. But for now it's completely bearish for us and no buying for now. This is a no trading zone as a weekend, and this could be a possible supply zone for this and for now. And this is a major supply zone and a liquidity area as well. Let's see how the price reacts in the further sessions. And there's no setup in it right now. So let's head on to BNB coin, Binance coin, and it's also no, it's not bearish. It is just consolidating really well. After this massive move, it's consolidating, and on this demand zone, it's taking support and trying to reverse. So on this level, again, it took a liquidity sweep and trying to go up. Uh, it might go up, but let's see if we could plan up a trade. If it retraces back right here, we would be planning a buy trade. And if it just took this liquidity, if it takes this liquidity, I would be preferring to sell. So for now, BNB is in a consolidation zone. We would be planning for buys here and sells here only. Nothing in the middle of nowhere. And let's see on hourly time frame what's it. So as you can see, it's completely manipulative because of this consolidation zone. It's manipulating completely. So lastly, it took this supply zone, this supply zone, and right now it's on this. But there are high chances it would be breaking this level as it took this liquidity area and might go up for now. But we would be keeping an eye on BNB coin because uh, this is weekend and we would be planning up a buy trade if it comes somewhat near this level or might be this level. We would be planning buy trades, no sell trades for now, but and we would be targeting these highs or these or this high as a liquidity. If the market goes well, we could have good buying trades in BNB for no selling for now. So BNB is bullish and only buys on hourly time frame and 4 hour time frames. So on Solana, Solana is also consolidating, but let's see on hourly time frame, it's bearish, heavy bearish. It formed inside bar candle on Friday. It tried to reverse, but it's a really small bullish candle formed right here. So it's showing less strength on the buying side in Solana. So no buying in Solana right now, and it's just consolidating as it's near its demand zone, so we can't sell it as well right here. We have to wait for the price to come up to somewhat this or this level for selling only, and for buyers we want the price to come up to this or this level. So after that, we could be planning a buys, and the ultimate buying zone is this. This is this zone. So on 4 hour time frame, Solana is also having no trades and no setups until it li takes liquidities from any of the zone. And on 1 hour time frame, it's having a it had a sharp fall on Thursday, and after that on Friday it retraced back a little, I guess 50%. Yeah, approximately 50% it took again resistance from this 50% zone and reversed back and just consolidating. So Solana is weak and is selling. So let's watch how Solana moves and further. Okay, let's head on to Dogecoin. Dogecoin on the daily time frame. Okay, It's also looking similar as Solana. It's having a inside candle, and it's a really small bullish candle, but a bullish candle after four consecutive selling candles, bearish candles, and it's forming a double bottom pattern as well. Okay, so let's come on to 4 hour. So on 4 hour time frame, it just took this liquidity lastly and just gave a massive crazy fall. And also it's um, right now on Friday it formed this double bottom pattern and just went up and just sustaining and consolidating right here. Let's see if the price goes up, and if price come up to this level or this range and tries to reverse back, we would be taking up a sell trade. And on the if it comes up to this level and tries to make triple bottom pattern, we would be buying, but it would be a risky trade, so we would be reducing the risk right here and taking up some bias, as this is a good demand zone. But the overall scenario is this coin is bearish on all time frames right now. So on this was the zones, it reversed back. Now we are waiting for this zone to get tapped and see how the market acts, or it would just go up, not on hourly time frame as well. There's nothing to see up. It's just on a demand zone. It might consolidate for a reversal, as I'm looking for a reversal to go up. And on and if it tries to reverse back from these levels and this level or this level, maybe I would try to short this coin and maybe targeting this low or this last low, this low, uh, as this could be a reversal area for this. So that's all for these coins. Should we analyze any other coin? Let's see if there's any good. So I can see only XLM coin for now, as it's showing bearishness more than any other coin. All other coins are just consolidating right now in a sideways zone. And if we see XLM, it's on a lower high, lower low pattern, and that's it just gave a small it just closed a small bullish candle right here, but with a wick which is 50% to its body, so it also shows the bearishness on this coin. So if we see further, this is the zone for selling, but as it's really bearish, so it just took this area's liquidity and just tried to reverse, and again came up and formed a double top pattern kind of price action, and then we could have sold this and made good profits out of it. Right now it's taking support as well from this level, but it's really minor level, as it's completely bearish, so we won't be planning any bias in XLM. It's totally bearish. We would be looking for sells only. So most most closest supply zone is right here, and we could look for shells right here as well, but it might be a mitigated zone. Let's see on hourly time frame. So on hourly time frame, it formed a double top pattern on that zone as well. And after this, as I said, it's a mitigated zone as it formed a double top pattern right here as well, and gave a good rally below. Also, let's see how the market reacts to these levels. So for now, these are the levels for XLM on 4 hour. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For further updates, follow up on Instagram and Telegram as well. As I would be uploading a weekly analysis as well tomorrow only on the Monday. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.